Yo, what is going on YouTube? It's your boy Alexandrus, guys, and today I'm back again, guys. Or back again, should I say? I don't know, man, because I've been inactive for 3 weeks, guys. I really wanted to apologize for that. I know that many of you have been waiting for the content, guys, but we are back with a bang as always. Today, BDAG, and specifically we will talk about the new collaboration with a fighter, Alex Pereira. So that's the topic of today's video, guys. Before we get into it, as always, I need to let you know that I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research and you should always do your own due diligence, because I don't take any responsibility for your actions. And with that being said, guys, we can dive right into it. So first of all, I wanted to say that if you haven't watched my previous videos about BDAG, then you should definitely go ahead and do so. They are all available on my channel, and essentially there is a bunch of them, each of them on a different topic, and all of them are worth watching. So to give you a rough idea, guys, BDAG is doing incredibly well right now. They are very popular among crypto world overall, and their pre-sale, as you can see, have raised $60 million, which is quite insane. They are also now pushing these dev releases, which I really like, because it shows you the overall progress, and as you can see, they are daily, so that's pretty cool. And you have all the detailed info in them as well, so that's another thing that I wanted to mention. So guys, well, what I also want to do is focus on this Alex Pereira, who is the UFC fighter. The guy is pretty known, most of you might know him, especially if you are watching UFC, because I mean, if you are not into fights, then you might not know him, same as if you are not into football, then you might not know even who Messi is. But yeah, you get the point, guys. So yeah, he's the partner of them right now, and they have this whole, as you can see, page dedicated to him. So Alex Pereira joins Team BDAG. We are thrilled to announce an exciting new chapter for BDAG Network. In a huge power move, we joined forces with none other than UFC sensation Alex Pereira. This partnership marks historic milestone in our journey to revolutionize the blockchain landscape, while we embrace Alex Pereira's spirit of athletic excellence, determination, perseverance. So he is the official sponsor. You also have some information about him, obviously: UFC middleweight champion, glory kickboxing titles, record-breaking victories, and there is a whole video from him as well, which I want you guys to watch, okay? To be a little surprise for you. There is also some photos of him, but yeah, some of you might know the guy for sure. They are also actively posting all the updates on their Twitter, guys, so if you are not familiar with their Twitter, then you should definitely join and follow it. Link will be down below in the description. Their miner app is also available, so this is another great thing. If you still want to participate, then you go to buy the pre-sale. It will redirect you to their dashboard, in which you need to connect your wallet, so you can connect your web wallet, and then you can access the pre-sale. Obviously, they are running the giveaways, they are doing a lot of exciting stuff. There is still 21 days left, and you can get yourself some nice additional BDAG. So guys, let's also talk some facts as we can right now. As you can see, 40% price increasing. That's what I wanted to talk about. CEO, exit team, advisory board reveal 29th of July. Exciting date, guys. Maybe I will cover that as well. We will see how it goes overall, but let's talk about it. So guys, prices are set to increase by 40%, so you can boost your holdings now for maximum returns if you want. Obviously this is up to you. So they have partnered with this UFC champion, guys, as a major sponsor of Alex. BDAG is set to generate considerable excitement in the crypto market with this high profile partnership, in my opinion, because as I'm saying, hear me out, you know, people that are into sports are often into crypto, you know, people are like that. From my personal experience, I can say that I've met a lot of people that are you know, into sports a lot, and they know crypto. So yeah, that's how it works in this industry, to be honest. So Alex Pereira's swift and powerful fighting style mirrors BDAG's fast and efficient blockchain technology, guys. Actually, so it's showcasing a perfect synergy between a world-class athlete and an innovative crypto network. The partnership will also redefine both the sports and cryptocurrency arenas, showcasing the innovative integration of high-performance kickboxing and the most advanced layer 1 blockchain technology. Obviously, guys, BDAG is powered by multiple high-profile partners as well. BDAG investors have a unique chance to grow their portfolio. I joined the network's partnership with Alex Pereira, combining financial gain with a personal connection to a UFC champion journey. And the dual benefit of investment returns and personal connection to Alex's career generates significant excitement and engagement within the crypto community. So you can join the BDAG guys and upscale your journey with them. Obviously, you can also download their miner app if you want. You can just mine and still enjoy BDAG, okay? So yeah, the prices will go up, that's how they do it, basically, but yeah guys, so, well, that's it when it comes to the sponsorship, when it comes to the collaborations. You have BDAG website here in the background, so obviously I could talk about all the roadmaps and stuff like that, tokenomics, but you already know that from my previous videos, and if you don't guys, then go ahead and check out these previous videos, okay? So to wrap this up, I would recommend you to join their Telegram and Twitter, as I always do, because that's how you can get the most informations out of them. That's how you can get updated about all the new stuff happening within the project, guys. Then again, I wanted to apologize for my inactivity last time. You know, I've been dealing with some stuff, and I had to take a little bit, how do you say that, few weeks off, let's say, okay? But I'll be back with content now, guys, pushing this BDAG video for you now. I have one more lined up, and we will see how it goes from there. Obviously, thank you so much for your support. Some of you have been also asking me in the private messages if I'm fine. Yes, guys, I'm fine. You don't need to worry about that. Obviously, the content will be back on track, you feel me? So that's it when it comes to this video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed, and yeah, see you in the next videos coming out soon, and I mean it, really coming out soon, guys. See ya in the next ones.